What's up guys, welcome to another video. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Thomas with Thomas Studio 17 and I'm gonna show you guys my new Enon stereo. Love this thing. You guys have to upgrade your Range Rover stereo if you have a Range Rover or any other vehicle. Just buy the right adapter and boom, this stereo is amazing. But all right, be back in a minute. Hopefully everyone had a good new year. It's a beautiful day out today. 2021. Thank God 2020 is over, right? Horrible year with the COVID, just everything. So anyways, this video is going to be on kind of an update video. As you know, or if you've seen my previous video of my Range Rover, I installed a Onan stereo. So pretty much the old one, the original stock stereo was horrible. So this stereo is, I'm telling you, 100 times better. So I wanted to give you guys an update of this stereo, and I actually like it. It does have some lag. It's the Android 10 version, but it's way better. Let me show you guys while I'm telling you about it. This is pretty much just my experience on this. Pretty much, let me see. How can I just do this for you guys? So, it comes with Apple CarPlay. It does have a little bit of lag, but pretty much it is pretty responsive. I mean, if you go, you could see it lag just a little bit. Oh, sorry. Let me go back. You could see it lag a little bit. But this does have Apple CarPlay. So if you hit Apple CarPlay, it shows up on my screen. See that? There is a reflection, sorry, but I'll show you as best as I can. This is all the music. I have the Spotify on here. There's the phone, and it has maps. The only thing is I don't care for this maps right here. I'll show you the maps I like. Sorry. The maps that I like. Let's see, how do I get there? ePlay. Okay, this is Apple CarPlay. It takes a minute. I haven't really figured it out a whole lot, so that's why you'll see all this stuff. But this is the regular maps. The maps that comes on your phone? The one I like is this Google Maps. And the reason I like it is, check it out. That is Google Maps. And you could zoom in on it. Look at that. Satellite view. How cool is that? So everything's good on this map. You could use the regular maps also, but see how all this, I could hit home, it'll take me home. You could voice search it. Everything works just like on your phone. And then as far as going back, yeah, there's going back. You hit this bottom button. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, see all the iHeartRadio, Spotify. You could add just like an Android. All right, let me show you something else that I like about this. So once you connect your Wi-Fi up to you pair it with your phone, then you have the option of YouTube. You can play actual YouTube videos on here. It's not, it depends on the quality of the internet from your phone, but if you have a really good connection, YouTube will play just like it's playing on your computer monitor, you know, your home, I don't know, your TV or your, I don't know, it just whatever, it plays to your like computer or whatever. So say I don't know if this is copyright. I'll show you a little bit of this. Winter camping.
Aficionado.
Look at it, that's commercial. Pretty cool. So if you're stuck in traffic, well, I don't suggest you guys watching this while stuck in traffic, but if you're stopped somewhere and you have a little bit of time, let me turn that down. But it'll play through your stereo, see it?
But it also has its major spikes that it does.
Yeah, watch these guys too. They're living kind of off the grid. You can actually pick how good of quality you want, and it'll go to that quality, but depending, like I said, depending on your the quality of your internet, that picks how good your quality is going to be on the screen. So anyways, that's what I wanted to show you on this. It's not going to be a full review of how to use everything, but it's amazing. Oh yeah, see how the picture-in-picture it has? You could actually slide that around. Pretty cool. Look at this. Let me show you in a minute. Let me go to full screen. Actually, let me go back. Anyways, this whole system is pretty cool. I like it. Let me X that out. Yeah, it has a lot. Does everything your Android phone would do, or your iPhone, but everything's in here. Apple Store or Play Store, Google Maps, Gmail. You can get your mail through here. Radio, clock, calendar, even the calendar. Everything's in here, and everything's customizable, if that's a word. But DVD, there's a little slot here. You can put DVDs up here. Plays DVDs, DVRs, everything. It has 2 extra USBs. Yeah, there's a lot you can do with this thing. I'm in the process of trying to get GoPro to connect to my stereo. That way when I'm filming, I could see the actual picture on here. I can't figure that out just yet. I had to order a cord from my drone so I could use this as a monitor when I'm flying my drone. I don't have to actually hold my phone or whatever. It's going to connect to the actual DJI app. So hopefully once that cord comes in next week, I'll have a better idea if it's going to work or not. I'm not sure if it's going to lag or what, but see, I want to try to control my my drone through here. That's my goal anyways. But see it? Just the quality is amazing. For under $300, you can't beat this price. And then it comes with the front view camera. Oh yeah, let me show you the front view camera. Let's see here. Like I said, I haven't figured out this whole thing yet. Check out this front view camera. That's the front of my car. Right? The camera comes with the stereo. And then you could turn on this radar detector thing. See the radar? There's lines. And if you go out of the lines, it says danger. Or if a car is, say, you know how sometimes you're, I don't know about you guys, but if I'm working a lot, I'll close my eyes when I'm parked, like stopped behind another car and the light's red or whatever. So you lean back, close your eyes, and you don't know when the other car takes off. This will tell you when the car takes off. It says car departing. And that's kind of cool, because then you know you could open your eyes and take off. But I don't suggest that, because if you guys get in a car accident, you're gonna blame me, blah blah blah. But that's what I do with this thing. But you could turn it on, turn it off. And when you start your vehicle, this automatically starts recording. There's a camera up here. See the camera up there? and that lens is adjustable, so you could point it up, point it down. So yeah, pretty cool. So I don't know, there's so many things that you could do with this stereo. I just figured, you know what, I'm gonna show you guys, give you an update of how I like it. I actually do like it. Another thing I like, I don't know if you guys could see way back there, right in the middle, that little black square, that's a camera. I mounted that back there. That was a pain to get there, but check it out. When I put it in reverse, check it out. That's the reverse camera. Isn't that cool? So now I could see where I'm parking, anyone's behind me, whatever. I don't know. Just a neat upgrade. I mean, if you guys want to upgrade your, if you have a Range Rover or whatever other vehicle, Onan makes other stereos for different types of cars. You just have to buy the right adapter. And also this Onan, I'll put the type of stereo this is, or if you want to check my other videos, the links will be in the description below. But this is the newest one, and they were telling me that it doesn't fit in a Range Rover because I guess the adapters and all that stuff doesn't fit. All the adapters that I found do work on this stereo, and everything's working, no glitches. Even the volume up button works. See the volume up? Volume up button works. Okay, everything works on this. No glitches at all. Like, I mean, the only thing is it does lag just a little bit when you have like everything running. Say when you start it, your maps is going, the music's going, I don't know, whatever you have, whatever apps are open, then it'll lag. If you have a lot of apps that are open on this thing, it'll lag, but it still works. But it doesn't lag to where it bugs you. It just lags sometimes. Like when you first start it, it's still loading everything up. So I'll pick something and in 1 or 2 seconds then it'll come on. But other than that, everything works good. I know I keep saying that, but anyways, it's a beautiful day out today. Let me show you guys. This is Palm Springs area, but it's beautiful out. There's COVID testing over there, so that's what I went and did. That's the Palm Springs Convention Center. So yeah, I figure, you know what, everyone else is getting a COVID test, I might as well go get one too. I'm having no symptoms, but it doesn't hurt to get it, I guess. I figured I might as well try and see if join the rest of the world. So anyways, it's 72 degrees. I know people back east are hating us, but as far as California, you gotta love California. California's messed up, but how many places can you go? 1 hour to the snow, an hour, hour and a half to the beach, another hour to 70, 80 degree weather. I mean, you can't beat it. All weather conditions right here. All I know is I love California. A lot of people don't like it. It's expensive, but wherever you live, it's expensive. So anyways, everyone have a good, happy new year. Hope you guys are having a great holiday, and everyone stay healthy. And we'll see you guys on the next video.